Hello, today we're gonna solve this little box right here. This is the mini Karakuri box number 7. Like the other mini Karakuri boxes, those boxes are kind of easy to solve. They require only a few moves and they're always different, so it's always fun to get a new one, a new one, a new one, and you never know what's gonna be the trick this time. And to open this one, we have to start doing as we always do, try to slide the panels to figure out what are the moves. And as you're gonna see, there's no much you can do. This box looks like literally like it's completely glued together. That's why I like it so much, because they're so perfect. But you see when I'm turning around like this, depending on the light, you can notice this little line right here, which gives us only one clue about how to start. And here, as you can see where the line was, this is our first move. Our second move, of course, is related to the first move. And the third move, it's tricky because as much as you slide, nothing happens. And the trick to open this box is actually to remove the whole half of the box like this. This is what I like about this box. And you never expected to have to do that, and it's always so much fun to open it. To reset your box, you simply have to do the steps back and you're good to go again. I love this box. I hope you guys like it, and please like it and comment and let us know your experience with the mini secret puzzle boxes, which one you like the most, and which puzzle you would like to see me solve next. Thank you.